Hey, do you want to be the #1 streamer on Twitch? Here's what you gotta do, alright? Stop trying to stream and just chatting and follow these steps to becoming the #1 streamed person. Stream instead of just chatting with all these people. You're just not gonna get caught, alright? You're a needle in a haystack. Here's what you do. I'm the #1 streamer right now in Sonic the Hedgehog, alright? Not trying to be cocky. I'm the #1 streamer in Sonic the Hedgehog, and this is correct. This is factual. You just gotta grind, alright? Grind in some place that no one will look to grind to, okay? I could be #1 streamer right now in Digdo. I could be #1 streamer right now in Digdo. You know what? No one's streaming in Digdo. If you want to be the #1, find your niche. Find your niche, alright? But you know what happens? You know what happens, chat? Here's what happens. No one cares about the niche. No one cares about the niche. I'm #1 streamer in a retro arcade game from the 90s. Who's watching that on the stream, alright? I'm just being real. I mean, look, stop trying to stream.